Question number 1. Which is the pustule of a newborn? The right answer is option A. Meconium. Question number 2. What is the main cause of apnea in preterm babies? The right answer is option B. Immature brain. Question number 3. Which test confirms neonatal jaundice? The right answer is option C. Bilirubin test. Question number 4. Which sign indicates severe neonatal hypothermia? The right answer is option C. Cold, pale skin. Question number 5. Which vaccine is given at birth? The right answer is option B and C. Hepatitis B and MMR. Question number 6. What is the best way to prevent neonatal infections? The right answer is option B. Hand washing. Question number 7. Which electrolyte imbalance causes neonatal seizure? The right answer is option A. Hypoglycemia. Question number 8. What is the first treatment for neonatal respiratory distress? The right answer is option B. Oxygen therapy. Question number 9. Which reflex helps babies suck milk? The right answer is option B. Rooting reflex. Question number 10. Which sign suggests neonatal dehydration? The right answer is option A. Sunken fontanelle. Question number 11. Which condition causes greenish amniotic fluid? The right answer is option B. Meconium aspiration. Question number 12. What is the normal neonatal blood sugar level? The right answer is option B. 40 up to 60 milligram per deciliter. Question number 13. Which neonatal condition requires phototherapy? The right answer is option B. Jaundice. Question number 14. Which heart defect is common in preterm babies? The right answer is option D. Fatten ductus arteriosus. Question number 15. What is the best way to maintain neonatal body temperature? The right answer is option C. Kangaroo care. Question number 16. Which newborn screening detects metabolic disorders? The right answer is option B, Guthrie test. Question number 17. Which condition causes weak or absent femoral pulses? The right answer is option B, coarctation of the aorta. Question number 18. Which infection is prevented by giving erythromycin eye drops? The right answer is option A, gonorrhea. Question number 19. Which vitamin deficiency causes neonatal bleeding? The right answer is option C, vitamin K. Question number 20. Which neonatal complication is caused by excessive oxygen therapy? The right answer is option A, retinopathy of prematurity. Question number 21. Which neonatal infection is linked to maternal chorioamnionitis? The right answer is option A, sepsis. Question number 22. What is the normal weight of a full-term newborn? The right answer is option B, 2.5 up to 4 kg. Question number 23. Which condition causes delayed meconium passage? The right answer is option B, Hirschsprung disease. Question number 24. Which condition leads to excessive crying and forefeeding in neonates? The right answer is option A, neonatal sepsis. Question number 25. Which sign is seen in neonatal respiratory distress? The right answer is option A, nasal flaring. Question number 26. What is the first sign of hypoglycemia in a neonate? The right answer is option A, jitteriness. Question number 27. Which neonatal reflex helps prevent choking? The right answer is option B, gag reflex. Question number 28. Which of the following prevents neonatal necrotizing enterocolitis? The right answer is option B, early breastfeeding. Question number 29. Which newborn is at highest risk for hypothermia? The right answer is option C, preterm baby. Question number 30. Which neonatal condition causes a scaphoid abdomen? The right answer is option B, diaphragmatic hernia.